We often get calls of individuals who have been terminated and they feel that the termination has been wrongful. And they use that phrase often, wrongful termination. I believe I've been terminated for wrong reasons, or whatever words they use. The concept is that they disagree with why they were terminated. The concept of wrongful termination isn't in and of itself an actionable claim. However, there are certain statutes that can come into play that will make a termination or turn a termination into an unlawful termination. And if the termination is unlawful, meaning that it violated a provision of the law, there are steps that you can take to remedy or seek a remedy for the wrong that's been done to you. And that remedy could include, for example, lost pay, lost benefits, damages for pain and suffering, emotional pain and suffering, mental anguish, stress, anxiety, damage to your reputation. It's pretty global what you can collect in terms of damages in the case of an unlawful termination. What we need to do when you contact us is determine whether the circumstances of your termination warrant the filing of a claim or the filing of a lawsuit, and that claim could be in an agency or in a court or both. And we need to determine what damages you've suffered going forward so that we can give you a very good perspective as to what it is that you can expect to recover if you're successful in that case. If you come to us and we find that your termination was not in violation of law, but yet you disagree with it, oftentimes things can be done even after the fact to contact the employer and try to help you going forward. It may be in the form of obtaining a reference letter. It may be in the form of having an agreement with the employer that they're not going to disparage you. It may be in the form of some discussion about future prospective employer or even unemployment benefits. It may be in the form of a discussion about continuing health insurance or health care benefits. And those are all things that we would look at when you come to see us with your specific circumstances. Every case is fact specific. We can't give a general rule of advice or a general guideline because every case turns on the specific facts of the situation. And that's what we do. We analyze every case specifically. We look at the particulars of every case. And most importantly, we want to hear from you as to what it is that you are specifically seeking at this point. Everybody comes in the door with different needs, different wants, different desires. Some people are interested in litigating, some people are not. And that's what we need to listen to, hear what you have to say, and then give you our best opinion going forward as to how you can hopefully obtain your goal.